Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher error. And the error is, sorry, we are unable to handle your request at this time. And the error code is #1.000.7. So if you're getting this error while logging to your Rockstar Games Launcher, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to, if you have Gmail ID and you're using a Gmail ID to log into your Rockstar Game Launcher, then write the G in capital letters and then check. For example, if you have Gmail ID, now instead of writing the G in small letter, write G in capital letter and then enter your password and then click on sign in. This will fix the problem. This fix has solved the issue for many users. If you check the subreddit of the Rockstar support, then there are many users who has said that this method has worked for them. You can see him and I found a fix for the error. When logging in, try to write your email as followed, your email and @gmail.com. You can see G is in a capital letter. This was the fix for me, and here you can see the reply. It worked. I love you, bro. You can see fix, change the email first letter into a capital letter, and you can see the reply. Thanks a lot for this. It actually fixed it for me. So the fix one has solved the issue for many players. So try this fix and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you can switch the web browser for the web login. You can try different web browsers such as Edge, Firefox, Chrome, Opera, Safari, etc. and then check. For example, if you're using a Chrome browser, then you can switch to Edge or Firefox and then check. Or you can also switch to Safari web browser and then check. Now if that doesn't work, then clear the browser cache and then check. Fix 3 is to make sure date and time is correct on your PC. So please check date and time is correct on your PC and then try to log into your Rockstar Game Launcher and then check. And the last solution is to reset network. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on Network and Internet. Scroll down, click on Advanced Network Settings. Then click on Network Reset and then click on Reset Now. Now please take a note, this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other network software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So if you agree, then click on Reset Now and then this will restart your PC. If not, then restart your PC and then you can go ahead, try to log into your Rockstar launcher and check if your problem is solved or not. But basically the fix one will solve the issue for you. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve sorry we are unable to handle your request at this time, and the error code is #1.000.7 in Rockstar Game Launcher. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.